I would first look at Ruby code, and I would think I'd be following it, right? Like some of it would make sense, but then I'd be like, man, I don't know what the heck they're talking about. So I don't know. Let's see if I can find a Metasploit exploit. So IP fire looks like that came out a few days ago, right? So I'll go look at that. Let's go take a look at it. This is all right. IP fire less than 2.19. All right, so IP fire 2.19, it's for Metasploit. Now this looks very much like what we've been doing. Let me try and zoom in on this. All right, let's jump in here. Let's see what we got. Okay, so this module requires Metasploit. Great. Here's the current source. Great. We got a class, and it's called Metasploit module. What do we want to be loaded into this class? From MSF, we want exploit and remote. We want to include from MSF exploit, remote, and HTTP client. They have a variable that they call rank, right, where you can give the rating of the exploit. That's nice. So we'll say def initialize. Now we've got all the info. Load the superclass, and now here's the same things that we just did, right? Here's the name of it. We give it a nice little description. Who's the author? Okay. We can declare some references, right? Does it have an exploit database number? License, the platform. Is it a privileged exploit? Default options, architecture that it runs on, payload, what types of payloads are compatible, targets that it runs on. Here's where you would say, like, Windows XP Service Pack 2 or that kind of stuff. Default targets, hey, it runs against Windows 2000 or whatever the case may be. Register options. So remember, like when you set our host, set our port, right? Maybe you set an option and the option is username. Maybe you set an option. The default port, the default R port is 444.